Just one string but endless expression. What a graceful tribute to the Ektara, an instrument that proves simplicity can be powerfully profound. Let's hear it once again for our soulful performers.
Tamil Nadu Mridangam, the barrel-shaped instrument body is made of jackfruit wood. The right drum head has a black paste called karanai in the center. It sounds so grand when played. The mridangam makes a deep and rich sound with both low and high tones. It is played with the fingers and palms. Mridangam players learn and recall complex rhythm patterns, taals in sequence, thereby developing memory. Indeed, mridangam is played during Bharatnatyam performance and Carnatic concerts. Indeed, mridangam playing helps us use both hands together, making our hand coordination strong and our sense of rhythm sharp. Karnataka. We are here to explore the veena, one of the oldest and most respected instruments in Indian classical music. It's made from wood. The frets and strings are played with fingers to create graceful melodies. It makes a gentle sound like this, plays a short melodic line. The veena is not just a musical instrument, it's symbol of learning and wisdom. It's played in Carnatic music, especially during classical concerts and rituals. Player coordination, both hands, one plucking the strings and the other pressing them on the frets, while maintaining rhythm and melody. Playing the veena helps our fingers move smartly and teaches us to do many things at once, like making music and keeping rhythm. Maharashtra is full of colors, music and energy. It truly is. And today we are going to explore a grand and powerful instrument from Maharashtra, the tutari. That's the one that sounds like a royal welcome, right? Yes, it's loud, clear and full of energy. Let's go discover how it works. Namaskar, we are here to learn about this bold and beautiful instrument. Welcome, this is the tutari, a wind instrument used in procession, temple, rituals and royal announcements in Maharashtra. It looks like a big curved horn. Yes, it's usually made of brass or copper. When we blow air into it creates a high-pitched sound, sharp and loud. Wow! So it's used to catch attention. Exactly. We often hear it during festivals, village ceremonies and Shivaji Maharaj celebrations. That's so nice. Blowing it must take strength and breath control. It sure does. Playing the tutari builds lung power, focus and body awareness. Once used to announce royal presence, it's time to feel its bold rhythm come alive. Presenting our next performance, inspired by the spirited folk traditions of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra, let's welcome our enthusiastic performers of class Senior KG on stage, and the participants are Shrikant Bhokre, Kartik Rathore, Shriyansh Yegle, Shravan Solanke, Devansh Dhumar, Myra Shahane, Shrisha Naval, Bhavika Raj Purohit, Arohi Naval.
एक झाला कृष्णा गोदा भीमा तापी घागर भरती तुझ्या कृपेच्या जीर जीर जी जीर जीर जी जीर जीर जी जी हम जीर जीर जी जीर जीर जी जीर जीर जी जी आई फिरविते हात कपाळी सांगेले कराला तुझीच कथा वाटेकडे बघ डोळे लागले सांग भेटशील कधी रे आता तुझी लेकरे रोज नव्याने शोधत राहते तुझ्या खुणा उतरून टाका मला जन्माला तू ये पुन्हा उतरून तू टाका मला जन्माला तू ये पुन्हा जीर जीर जी जीर जीर जी जीर जीर जी जी हा जीर जीर जी जीर जीर जी जीर जीर जी जी शिवली जातील माया भरल्या साड्या मधुरी नागकड्या नाकार घे कोलाटाच्या कामा मधुरी हो असा हवाजी बाल शिवाजी असा हवाजी बाल शिवाजी मुलखाचा होईल उतरून तू टाका मला जन्माला तू ये उतरून तू टाका मला जन्माला तू ये जीर जीर जी जीर जीर जी जीर जीर जी जीर 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 जी जीर जीर जी जीर जीर जी
क्षत्रिय कुलवंत छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की